What's good, people? I really need a new intro, man. I'm back again with another video. Still need a new intro. Just before we get into this one, like every single video, I need to request everyone to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All that good stuff. Let's get the views up, numbers up, subscribers, every single thing. Let's get it all up. Also, the Discord, we need a few more members in there. There's about 8-9 of us. I can't remember off the top of my head. It might even be counting a bot. Am I counting a bot? Probably am. But yeah, let's get into this one quickly. Same old box. Standard Nike sportswear box. This thing actually haunts me. Like, I'm seeing loads. Like, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this room just staring at me. So let's not even talk about the box. Let's go straight to the label and see what it says. So Nike Air Presto. The colorway is white/pure platinum. US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Euro 45. Style code is CT3550100. They are made in Vietnam. They're just triple white to me, not gonna lie. I really thought a few years ago Prestos will be the next hype. They just never caught on, and I don't really know why. Quite an odd thing, but you know, we move. First impressions, like, these aren't my type of shoe or whatever, but when I put them on, glove, oh my, memory foam pillow comfort in these, man. So comfortable, so light. They weigh nothing, literally so light, so comfortable. If you're a person who prefers comfort, especially for summer, I'd suggest these. Low-key, high-key. We'll start off with a review. And what's funny is, you know, on the camera they look triple white. In person you can slightly tell where the pure platinum is and where the white is, but I'll go through that now. Sole, we've got a normal sole for the Presto. It is, you know, kind of different, kind of the same. You know, Nike always has those squares on theirs. This, you know, it's got loads of squares. Oh, forget the sole, it's white. Midsole, also white. We've got a few dots, and then we've got a swoosh. The swoosh is pure platinum. It's quite solid, but let's get over that. So this is what I was really interested in seeing, you know, this material. It is plastic, but it's quite bendy. It's not one piece, it's two different pieces. So it's one piece for this, so 4, and then one separate piece. These you can't like undo to have in another hole or anything. This one you can, so there's one extra. I don't know why anyone would do that, to be honest. Up to you. So that plastic actually wraps around. It goes on the full heel, and then up behind the heel it says Nike, and then, well, it's got a Nike swoosh, and then it says Air. Quick pull tab, which is, you know, see-through, and then we've got, you know, the wraparound type of, I don't know, wings, whatever you want to call it. And then it does say Presto. That's cool. And then on this side, quite different to the outside. So this, you know, the plastic is kind of with the midsole on the inside. This one, it's exposed, so it's out. Hopefully that doesn't come off with use. So literally the whole sock is separate, and then the plastic on the laces is separate. This one is more inside, this one is exposed, it's outside. Still got a swoosh, and again in that pure platinum. The neoprene liner, or the sock, the whole thing, I'm just gonna call them sock, to be honest. I really like this. I don't know why. Just the embroidered swoosh on the toe box area, you could say. Literally quite different to anything I have. They don't really have a toe box, or do they? They do. This is the toe box, whatever. We've got plastic on the actual toe box, obviously. So if this was removed, they'll kind of be like the Pharrells. Those I liked a lot, but I didn't buy them because I tried them on in the store and the fitting was really weird for my foot, as I have wide feet. This pair just fits amazing. I love the fit. Like, it's so comfortable. I would never have worn these if I didn't put them on foot. Now I really like them. You know, I'm like, oh, these are good. So we've got these same laces that I love. Everyone knows I like rounded laces, not really flat laces. These are in the middle, so they're flat, but they got a bit of a puff to them, so we call them flounded laces. Very rubbish joke. And then it's got a small, I don't know if, is that a P? It looks like a P and then a swoosh, so that must be for Presto. Yeah, it's like a P and then a swoosh behind it, in a little rubber type feeling on the tongue. It's not really a tongue, it is but it isn't. It's just more the whole sock. The whole inside is like a mesh, super comfortable, to be honest. Rating, on foot rating is high, man. It's like 8.59 because of comfort. Looks wise, you know, they're not the worst, they're not the best. I personally really like them now that I've tried them, and I think that might have to be the thing for everyone else. But at the same time, you know, these would just be like with shorts or with joggers. But really and truly, how many trainers can I buy to wear with tracksuits? But yeah, that's all I got to do with the review. The on foot video will follow in a few seconds. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all of the content. Every single video, dropping loads of videos, all of that stuff. Join the Discord, speak sneakers, trainers, whatever you want to call them, fashion, all that good stuff. In a few moments you'll see on foot video, and I'll also post a separate one. Take care, people.